September is Alzheimer's Awareness Month. It is estimated 1 in 8 Floridians are currently living with the disease, supported by more than 800,000 unpaid family caregivers.
There is new research happening that could make a big difference, though. And 10 Tampa Bay's Jenny Dean joining us live this morning from University of South Florida's Bird Alzheimer's Institute. Good morning to you, Jenny.
Good morning, Frank and Carolina. You know, that local portion of the research is being done right here. Researchers looking for the latest treatments and specifically looking at the prevention of the cognitive decline that typically happens in the late stages of Alzheimer's. It's part of a study called the AHEAD study, and they're looking at an FDA-approved drug called Leqembi, which is approved for people with significant dementia. But researchers want to see if they could delay the symptoms by giving it to those at risk about 10 years earlier. So there's an all call for people to participate in this study from ages 55 to 80 years old.
So we know that people who have a strong family history are at higher risk. So certainly people who've seen it in their parents or a brother or sister should be worried. But also sometimes people have very subtle changes where they notice things themselves, even though they're still in the normal range, but they're realizing that they're not quite as sharp as they were.
So we do have a link to the study with more information about it on our website at 10tampabay.com. It tells you whether you might be eligible or you know someone who could be a good candidate to take part in this clinical trial, and as I mentioned, if you do take part in the trial, it would be right here at USF Health's Bird Alzheimer's Institute. And it's really important for a diverse group of people to take part in this study. And I'm going to talk more about that coming up on Brightside at 6:30. Reporting live in Tampa, Jenny Dean, 10 Tampa Bay.
Standing